up, y'all? It's DJ Moore, Underground Army, back at you again. We're here for our shouts. Big shouts to my girl, MJ, Nick Slade, the entire Lockdown crew, and of course, I can't forget my man DJ Dom Nice, repping BK. Alright? Leave those comments. One.
Yeah. What's up, world? RBI in your area, Underground Army. Want to give a big shout out to Neurotic out in Houston and Jen out in New Mexico. That's what's up. Keep leaving those comments.
Yo, what up, Myspace? This is Musik G here for another Myspace pop quiz. I need to know the name of the artist and the name of his group. What artist said that this was his house?
Yo, what's up, Myspace world? It's your man DJ Moore, repping the Underground Army. I got a big shout out for Precious from Texas. I see you, girl. Keep leaving those comments, y'all.
Yo, what's up, man? Yo, I got my song for the
$14.98.
Can't beat that. Yo, what's up? Musik G representing the Underground Army. And I got a shout out Edgar from MS 145. What's up, my man? Stay in school.
Also Christian 145. Keep them grades up.
Keep leaving those comments, you heard?
Yeah.
Yo, 1498. Let's go.